Advanced Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer and the error code you get on the screen is 0x0000011b. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are trying to connect the shared printer via network and you are unable to connect the printer and you get the error on your screen is 0x0000011b, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Registry Editor. Click on Registry Editor, click on Yes. In this, you need to double click on HKE local machine. Just expand the system. After that, you need to expand the current control set. After that, you can see here control. Just expand the control. In this, you need to find print. You can see print. Just click on the print. Come to the right section. Right click. Click on New. And just select divert 32-bit value and rename it as RPC AUTHN LEVEL PRIVACY enabled. You can see, I will repeat it once again, RPC AUTHN LEVEL PRIVACY ENABLED. Just rename it as, and double click on this, and you have to make sure the value data is 0. After that, click OK, then close the Registry Editor. Again you have to click on Start menu, then type here Services, click on the Services. Here you need to find Print Spooler. Just press P key, you can see Print Spooler. Just right click and click on Restart. After that, just close this window and go to the client computer and open your network folder. And try and connect your shared printer from here. After that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows cannot connect to the printer and the error code you get on the screen is 0x0000011b. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.